Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour adventure. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful beaches in Argentina, Pinamar. So, fasten your seatbelts and join me on this relaxing beach walking tour. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting walking tours in different parts of the world. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Now let's begin our journey.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
It's a great place to stop and take a break from our walk, grab a refreshing drink, and enjoy the ocean view. As we move along, we come across some dunes that add an extra element of adventure to our walk. These dunes are perfect for climbing and taking photos. The view from the top of the dunes is absolutely breathtaking. As we near the end of our walking tour, we come across a fishing pier. It's a great place to watch the sunset while listening to the sound of the waves. The view is mesmerizing, and it's a perfect way to end our day. Well, that concludes our walking tour of Pinamar Beach. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting walking tours in different parts of the world. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!